Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, he hails from all the way from England. He weighs in at 198 pounds. Stands 5'11". I give you the air show. Put in your earplugs if you don't like a loud noise. But I give you Jerico Scarbridge.
On so many different dials, cause I got more hits than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody barracks, man, I'm like
Jerico, great move, the mighty masses of the Gucci Arena. Universe! Saying hi to all his legion. Yes, sir.
I'm bringing gravity back, adopted by the major. I want my family back. People work hard just to get.
Looking spiffy yourself, my brother. Looking spiffy yourself.
You have to keep screaming till they hear you out.
Makes his way towards the steps, and up the steps he goes into the ring. All right, are you ready for his opponent? He hails from Las Vegas, Nevada. He weighs in at a whopping 255 pounds. Stands 6'9". He is known as the Gambler. I give you, ladies and gentlemen, Ace Nightfire.
Smash your fucking face in.
Ace making his way into the ring. Sorry, Jelly, I had to cut the song. Ace yelling, let's get the cards in the air. Hey, he's actually in the ring this time. He's not out checking out all the girls in the audience. So give him some credit. As he plays 52 card pickup with somebody, some lucky individual in the crowd. I think he's ready for the check around. We'll just have Jelly move to the opposite corner if he would, please. Thank you, sir. All he needs to do is ditch that deck of cards in his hand, because that, ladies and gentlemen, could be known as an illegal weapon. And Ace makes his way around. There we go. Okay, and then the ref getting ready. Checking both individuals, making sure they're both ready. The ref making sure, keep it clean. You want clean. We should be ready to go as soon as both individuals acknowledge. And there's the bell. And Jelly looks to meet him right in the center of the ring. And Ace meeting him right in the middle of the ring too. There's a little bit of height difference and a slight weight advantage, but I think a lot of Ace's height comes from his hair. As he teases up with that, goes for that Joey Casanova with the wind tunnel tested hairdo look. Well, both men circle each other after a nice clean handshake. And I think they're ready to go. And Jericho hitting that lockup, collar and elbow tie up. I don't think Ace is going to move as well. Ace puts him into that wrist lock. A little bit of fancy, I can't even say it, chain wrestling. Nice big arm drag, putting Jelly down on his back. It's kind of a mistake. He had his back turned for a second, but he picks him right back up with a little hesitation, but he gets him in that pickup, and Jelly's at a disadvantage. Oh, puts him in that headlock. Nothing like a roulette wheel headlock. And as long as Jelly's head's not spinning around like that little marble inside the roulette wheel, we're good. And you know, Jelly's come off some pretty serious injuries as of late, but he's starting to mount a decent comeback. Oh, he's fighting out of it. Ace still wrenching that headlock in. Ace whips him into the ropes. And Jelly with his blinding speed rolls through. And Jelly ain't having none of that. Rope shooting off the opposite side. Boom! Big Hurricane Rana, putting Ace right down on his back. How was that shit? Crowd really was up, but Ace getting right back up like the work didn't even affect him. Joey just clutching his chest. I wonder if that kind of knocked the wind out of him a little bit. There they are, face to face once again. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you can make as much noise as possible. Ace locking him up. Put him in the front face lock. You don't want to make noise? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Ace locking in that big vertical suplex stalls it a little bit and brings Jelly down on his back. Oof. Big kick to the gut, well, stomp to the gut. And make sure Jelly stays down. Ace goes in for the pin. We got a 1, we got a 2. And Jelly kicks out, lifting, managing to lift the shoulder up at 2. Definitely the fans are behind Jericho, but Ace is no slouch either, you know. Ace just checking on the fans. Kind of a mistake, hesitating a little bit, but he manages to pick him back up. I don't know what he's got in store for him. But he picks him up into a spinning spine buster, sending Jelly right back down. He is hesitating a little too much in order to see what happens. If you stall, it doesn't help because Ace down 1, 2, another 2 count. And Jelly manages to get the shoulder up. You can kind of see the frustration in Ace's face, but he picks him right back up again. And who knows what's going to happen next? But he's been in 2 pinning situations. He sends Jelly flying into the corner. I mean, it's quite an impactful one. He just stares him down. Looks like he's running at him. But he stops and hesitates, and that doesn't help his cause any. But Jelly kicks him in the butt, kicks him in the gut with a nice counter. Goes up, missile drop kick. It didn't send Ace down, but it stunned him a bit more. Oh, big standing drop kick to the face. That put him down. That seems to like that one. Ace getting up once again.
Smash your fucking face.
Turns towards Jelly. Oh boy. Spring leg drop, and he is down once again. Jelly goes in for the pin. Referee a little out of position. 1, 2, and Ace gets the shoulder up. Jericho is visibly at a worse for wear, but he's staying with it. He's managing to get back to his feet once again, and Jericho performs the whisper in the wind. That could do it. That could do it. Well, here comes a big moonsault, and it connects. It's taking way too much time. Ah, good one. Jelly's on a roll. I like that. Kicks him in the gut once again. Ace doubles over. Jelly rebounds off the corner. Oh, the big leg lariat connects. Crowd definitely behind Jericho, and Jericho is showing signs of starting to be a little more hurt. He's grasping his leg. What could possibly be going on here? The referee is totally in control of this matchup. And Ace, you might want to check on Ace, ref. Well, never mind. He seems to be getting back up. And Jericho's down on his knees trying to catch his breath. Not good for the air show. Not looking good for the air show right now. Ace kicks him in the gut, already doubles him over. It looks like Jericho's holding his ribs. Big discus clothesline sending Jelly down on his back. Yes! Things not looking too good for Derek. Yeah, Jelly Scarbridge at the moment. Ace picks him right back up. Sending him flying into the corner. Nothing like a big air show going into the corner. Looks like Ace is having a few words with Jericho. He's just staring through him, almost staring through him. Ace comes flying, the big corner splash, putting Jelly on his face. That'll take the wind out of your sails. Crowd calling Jelly to fight back. I don't know if he can. He's got him in a very precarious position with a snap suplex, and Jelly is down. If I was Ace, I'd go in for the pin right about now, but you know, that's just me. I'm not a wrestler, I'm just a commentator. Just taking a little bit too much time, and time is not your friend, especially in a wrestling match. You just got to get on it, stay on it. He seems to be staring at somebody in the crowd. I don't know. Just taking way too much time. It's not good. Not good. Not good at all. No idea. No idea. It's like he's waiting for somebody. Ace goes in for a leg drop. No, and Jelly just rolls out of the way. And he catches Ace. Oh, see, like I said, Ace took way too much time. And Jelly managed to roll out of the way. Runs up to Ace. Oh, big drop kick to the face. Putting Ace down on his back. Here goes Lion Salt. He goes in for the pin. Ref, we got a count. Oh, no, but maybe not. What? He nips up, and he just got a 2 count. Almost. Ace got his shoulder up. The referee pulled her hand back just in the nick of time. Well, she actually washed out the count. Jelly's going up. Big elbow drop. He goes in for that. He's tired, but he's got 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, the Air Show, Jericho, Scarbridge. Nice guy. Always helps out. Helps somebody out. Because of the high five for bonus. For a good match, good sportsmanship, you can't complain.
Yeah, you're listening now. They say they ain't heard nothing like this in a while. That's why they play my song on so many different dials. Cause I got more hits than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody barack, baracks. Man, I'm like a young gun.